I think it's time to stay inside. Happy New Year, gents and gals, and welcome to 2021 here on Vintage Fixers YouTube here. So, from those of you who have subscribed, thank you. And you can see that I have rearranged some things to make my workflow more productive. So I have condensed down what's in front of my workbench where I usually stand most of the time. Got your Missick screwdrivers up there. Those are drills and taps, 1/4-20, your standard little things. Pens, pencils, epoxies, Missick little screws, drivers, little screwdrivers, brad nails, carburetor gaskets, air fittings. You got lithium, white lithium, and you got dielectric grease, your red and blue Loctite, your Missick things, your things that every garage should have, as you can see. I made my own little screwdriver rack because I had that big plastic hodgepodge thing right here, and I just, after a year of having it, I despised it. So I made this little rack, screwed it into the cupboard. Got your standard, you got your Phillips, you got your electrical grade, you got your nut drivers back here. So far it's working out very nice. Got a new bottle here. I gotta pick up a gallon. Found this one on eBay, which I liked. And then I got this one for Christmas from the girlfriend. But don't worry, the $95 doesn't apply to you because, you know, I'm bringing you along for the ride. Gotta get the NGK, you know, 4-cycle. That is an eBay snag, which I am very happy of. It is a porcelain WD-40 sign from 1958. You got your international, and you got another eBay score, a National Twist Drill and Company drill chart. Has all the things you want to know, except metric and form threads, so form taps. So just ignore that. This is an upcoming video if you like old vacuums. This one's been around for quite a while. Scout wise, this year we want to see her run, don't we? So I just gave a single coat onto the steering shaft there, kind of dress it up. I'm going to be working more on this. I'm going to stagger videos so it's not like 4 Scout videos in a row. Kind of give you some variety here. So the big plan is to get this thing moving by its own power, because pushing this thing out manually is not fun, and I would really like to just get in, start it, back it out, and then I'd have a whole garage space to work in. Another thing I'm thinking, and these are all thinkings, we know how that goes. If you don't know me, I'm a machinist, and I've been wanting to get a CNC lathe, and of course those are not cheap, and you would be going right here, but I might have to be working a bit more in order to achieve that goal. And that one's like an optional goal by the end of the year, because those are like 10 grand plus for a decent one, and you know, money's tight. But main goal, Scout, get it up and going, making it look, you know, somewhat decent-ish. Mainly the outside's going to stay the same, and the interior is just going to be cleaned up pretty nice, you know, new seat cover, new fabric on the seats, interiors dressed up, aftermarket stereo in there, because who cares, and you know, redo the gun racks here. Of course, can't put any BB gun or something in there because people will freak out. But anyway, hope all of your holidays and New Year's went well. I'll probably celebrate New Year's again tonight, if you know what I mean. Anyway, thank you all for subscribing and commenting, and let me know some of your projects for the coming new year, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.